Now, this is what you need to do. Apply the mixture to the entire texture of the toilet paper roll. Just like I'm doing here. And you should apply it on both sides. This trick is really amazing, folks. A professional cleaning lady taught me this. I tried it at home and I was amazed by the result. I'm sure you'll love it too. Done that, it's ready. Now, find a space and place it in your refrigerator. And you must be wondering what it's for. This simple trick will neutralize all the odors that contaminate our water and other liquids in the fridge, like milk, juice, and others.